Let's do some meditation using Ho'oponopono for our money energy. Let's get ready now. So in money, what problems in money? Think about the problems that you have. What emotions do you go through in regular life? Slightly think about it. थोड़ा सा सोचिए, ज़्यादा मत सोचिए, and don't worry क्योंकि हम उसकी healing करने वाले हैं. Think about कि what all is stuck about money in your thoughts. Did somebody cheat you? Did somebody scam you? Did somebody took away your money and never returned back? Somebody was supposed to return your money. आपको रीपेमेंट करना था बट नहीं करा. ऐसे नेगेटिव थॉट्स जो हैं आपके माइंड में, या फिर किसी ने हर्ट करा है आपको मनी को लेके, कोई आपको डिस्टर्ब कर रहा है, किसी चीज से आपको डिस्टर्बेंस हो रही है मनी को लेकर, उसके लिए हम हीलिंग करेंगे. फोल्ड योर हैंड्स नाउ एंड आईज क्लोज्ड. With folded hands, imagine करिए that there is money goddess in front of you. There is goddess Lakshmi in front of you. Or whichever god you believe in, वो आपके सामने है. The god is in front of you and you are saying sorry in front of her. With hands folded, say this: Dear Lakshmi, dear universe, with your eyes closed, dear God, dear divine, I am sorry for any negative thoughts in my mind. Please forgive me for these negative thoughts. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Hey dear universe, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. For money, I felt lack. I felt short of money. I thought negative about people. I'm sorry for all of this, dear universe. From childhood till now, remember those times when you felt disturbed about money. जब आपको डिस्टर्बेंस फील हुई मनी को लेकर, बचपन से लेकर अभी तक. Mom, dad told you certain things or somebody else told you something about money. ऐसे कुछ बिलीफ आपको बताए गए हैं. मनी डज नॉट ग्रो ऑन ट्रीज. पैसा पेड़ पे थोड़ी उगता है. जितनी चादर है उतने ही हाथ फैलाओ. यू हैव टू वर्क टू हार्ड फॉर मनी. आपको बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ती है पैसे के लिए, ऐसे ही नहीं मिल जाता. ये सारे जो थॉट्स आपके दिमाग में स्टक हैं मनी को लेकर, यूनिवर्स को बोलिए, लक्ष्मी जी को बोलिए, डियर लक्ष्मी जी, डियर यूनिवर्स, इफ आई हैव एनी नेगेटिव थॉट्स अबाउट मनी, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Now remember all those people. उन सभी लोगों को याद करिए who told you negative about money. If someone took your money or cheated you, किसी ने आपको cheat करा, scam करा, उनको याद करिए. Remember all these people. Now remember your loved ones. अपनी फैमिली को याद करिए. जो आपके साथ में रहते हैं उनको याद करिए. And say, if I have done or said anything negative, मैंने आपको कुछ भी नेगेटिव बोला है या फिर कुछ नेगेटिव करा है मनी को लेकर, या फिर मेरे पास कुछ नेगेटिव थॉट्स रहे हैं, if I've had negative thoughts about money for you, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Say it to all these people. इन सभी लोगों को बोलिए, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Now, hands on your heart. अपने हार्ट पे रखिए अपने. Say your name. अपना नाम loudly बोलिए. Dear self, I left you alone all these years. A lot of times, I had tough times with money. I had negative thoughts and wrong belief patterns about money. Say this to yourself. Dear self, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Now fold your hands again. अपने हाथ फिर से जोड़िए. And say thank you for all the money. Thank you उस सारे पैसे के लिए that I have from childhood. जो मेरे पास childhood से है, उस सारे पैसे के लिए thank you. Thank you for my home. Thank you for this knowledge. Thank you for my lovely body. Thank you for the clothes I wear. Thank you to all the teachers from childhood till now who have taught me. Thank you, teacher. Thank you to your mother. Thank you to your father. Say thank you to both of them. Thank you, Mama. Thank you, Papa, for everything you have done for me. Now remember all those people who helped you with money. उन सभी लोगों को याद करिए जिन्होंने आपको पैसे के लेके मदद करा है. Say thank you to them. Thank you. Remember someone who helped you grow in money. ऐसे इंसान को याद करिए जिन्होंने आपको ग्रो करा है मनी में, आपकी मदद करी है पैसे से लेकर. Say them with all your heart. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Once again, keep saying thank you to all these people who made your life so beautiful. So beautiful. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now say this, repeat after me. In my life, if I have any problems, thank you for the problems too. Keep saying thank you in your heart to all those things and all those people who helped you grow. Thank you to all those who hurted you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Say thank you to your mama, papa. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now feel the abundance, feel the money emotion in your heart. अपने पैसे की फीलिंग को, अपनी भरपूर फीलिंग को अपने हार्ट में महसूस करिए. With your heartbeat, feel this abundance in your heart. Stay with this feeling. Feel your heartbeat, feel this abundance. अपनी heartbeat को feel करते रहिए, इस abundance के साथ रहिए. इस wealth को feel करिए अपने heart में. आपके पास कितना कुछ है जिंदगी में, उसको महसूस करिए. Promise to yourself that you will heal yourself daily. You will read good books. You will learn new things. You will improve your relationship with money. Promise this to yourself. You will increase your money vibration. You will increase your money energy. Promise this to yourself today. Money, I will not scold or get angry at any situation. I will never say that no one loves me because I love myself. I love myself no matter what. मैं खुद से प्यार करती हूँ no matter what. कोई मुझसे प्यार करता है या नहीं करता है फर्क नहीं पड़ता है अब से. मैं अब से ये नहीं बोलूंगी क्योंकि कोई मुझसे प्यार नहीं करता. अब मैं रेडी हूँ अपनी लाइफ को अपग्रेड करने के लिए. आई एम रेडी टू अपग्रेड माई लाइफ. थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू. टेक अ डीप ब्रेथ नाउ. लंबी सांस लीजिए. विंडो की तरफ देखिए. लुक एट द विंडो. टेक अनदर डीप ब्रेथ. विंडो की तरफ देखते हुए बोलिए, थैंक यू यूनिवर्स फॉर ऑल द थिंग्स यू हैव ब्लेस्ड मी विथ. थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू. You can now open your eyes. Tell me in one word in chat window, how do you feel after this healing? Think about the results you will get if you receive this kind of healing daily in life, or if you do this on yourself as well. Think about the results, think about the life, how your life can be with all this kind of healing.